Every sip counts when you're managing diabetes. That's why we've put together a list of 15 morning drinks that are not only safe but beneficial for diabetics. You won't want to miss this. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. First on our list is chia seed water. Here's how to make chia seed water. Just soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, you can drink it plain or add a little lemon for some extra flavor. Next up is celery juice, which is not just a trendy wellness drink but a beneficial choice for those managing diabetes. Celery is loaded with fiber and a unique compound called 3N-butyl phthalate, or 3NB for short. For the best results, drink this juice on an empty stomach to maximize its health benefits. Cinnamon tea is another excellent choice for diabetics looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. The active ingredient in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, has shown potential anti-diabetic effects. Additionally, cinnamon is packed with polyphenols, antioxidants that further improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Number 4. Black coffee stands out as a beneficial morning drink for diabetics, thanks to its active components like chlorogenic acid, CGA. CGA is known for its ability to reduce the absorption of glucose in the body, which can help maintain better blood sugar levels. Next is turmeric tea. Is a great choice for diabetics due to its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can play a crucial role in enhancing insulin function. Curcumin can help manage insulin levels by reducing inflammation. Number 6. Aloe vera juice is a fantastic choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. This plant juice contains powerful natural compounds such as anthraquinones and lectins, which have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and help regulate glucose levels in the blood. Number 7. Ginger tea is another fantastic choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar. The key component in ginger, gingerol, has been shown to help improve fasting blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated gingerol's ability to enhance glucose absorption into muscle cells, helping to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Number 8. Flaxseed water helps to manage diabetes thanks to the high fiber content and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, found in flax seeds. These nutrients are key in stabilizing blood sugar levels. A 2011 study highlighted that regular flaxseed intake could significantly reduce blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Moving on to green tea is a good choice for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels effectively. It's packed with powerful antioxidants known as catechins, with EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, being the most prominent. Number 10 on the list is apple cider vinegar. Is known for its numerous health benefits, one of which includes aiding in blood sugar management. It contains acetic acid, which can help slow down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, thereby improving insulin sensitivity. Number 11. Tomato juice is an excellent choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels while also supporting overall health. It is low in carbohydrates, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Furthermore, tomatoes are rich in lycopene and chromium, two compounds known for their health benefits, particularly in blood sugar regulation. 12. Cucumber and lemon water is a refreshing, hydrating choice for those looking to manage their diabetes effectively. This simple drink is low in carbohydrates, crucial for controlling blood sugar levels, and high in dietary fiber and vitamin C, both of which have significant health benefits. Craving something delicious that's also incredibly good for you? Let's move on with number 13. Berries are a fantastic source of fiber and antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which are known for their ability to enhance insulin sensitivity. This makes a berries smoothie an excellent choice for those looking to manage their diabetes and improve their overall health. Number 14. Almond milk is a great alternative to traditional dairy, especially for those managing diabetes. It's low in carbohydrates and rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its beneficial properties, including potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. And lastly, unsweetened cocoa isn't just for making decadent desserts, it's also full of health benefits. Packed with flavonols, cocoa is known for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, making it a smart choice for those monitoring their blood sugar levels. For a warming, healthful morning beverage, simply mix unsweetened cocoa powder with hot water. This cocoa drink offers a rich, chocolatey experience without the added sugars, helping you manage your glucose metabolism effectively while indulging in a bit of natural sweetness. And there you have it, 15 morning drinks for diabetes. We hope you found inspiration to enhance your mornings with these delicious and nutritious options. What was your favorite drinks? Let us know in the comments below and tell us what videos you want to see next. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Stay healthy and take care.